In this video, I will be discussing the cd command in Linux, show you what it means, understand its syntax, and how to use this command in Linux through 6 examples in the command line terminal. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding what is cd command. Basically, cd stands for change directory, which means this command allows you to change your current directory. Let's break down the syntax. It is the command cd followed by options and then the path of the directory you want to switch to. Now let's put the cd command into action with some practical examples. Open your terminal. First, let's execute this command. It shows that I'm in my home directory. Now if you want to navigate to the root directory, just type this. And you will be transferred to the root directory immediately. If you type ls, you can see all the contents of the root directory. Now to go back to home directory, simply use this command. Here, the still symbol indicates the path to home directory. Next up, moving to a specific directory. But first, let me see what directories I have with ls command. Now to move to any directory here, for example sports, I will run this command. And that's it. I'm now in sports directory. Sometimes directories are nested or organized in hierarchical structure. For instance, the sports directory contains a subfolder named cricket, which again has a subfolder called Bangladesh. To navigate through these nested directories, I must specify the complete path of the directory I want to access. Let me demonstrate. You can see I have successfully changed my location to the Bangladesh directory. If you ever need to take a step back, that means move one directory backwards, all you have to do is execute the cd command followed by 2 dots. Now type pwd. You can see that I am now in my cricket directory. Let's navigate backwards again. You will notice that I am now in sports directory. Now let's take it to the next level. I will show you how to jump multiple steps backward with a single cd command. If I execute this, you will notice that I have gone back to sports directory from Bangladesh folder directly. And there you have it, the ins and outs of cd command in Linux. Don't forget to practice these commands in your own terminal for hands-on experience. And if you need more help, go through the commands and article given in the description below.